Hi there, I'm Cooper with Productive Robotics, and in this video, we're going to explore a second way to teach OB7 how to execute the jobs that you have in mind. We call this our tile system, and we're going to use it to teach the same pick-and-place job we taught OB7 using the handle in our last video. By using the tiles, you have the option of going back and editing parts of the job, or you could copy, modify, and repurpose a previous job to do a new project. Whether you build the job using the handle or the tiles themselves, the process we're about to learn will unlock a new degree of flexibility in all of your projects. So next we're going to get into building jobs by using the tiles. Each tile represents a specific task, amounting to the basic building blocks for the overall job that we're trying to teach OB7. For this process, the tablet is our home base. So go ahead and start things off the same way we did last time. From the home screen, select Learn. And then in the top left, select Learn New Job. At the top, go ahead and name it whatever you please. We'll do PT for now. Hit Done. And now we're ready to start getting into things. So basically what we're going to do is create a stack of tiles, kind of a list of steps for OB7 to work through. So we'll start by dragging the Pickup tile over into the queue. To do this, we're going to press down and slide it into place, release, and drop it there. So next, we're going to have to move OB7 using the handle to the location where we want to pick up the part. So it's there. Go ahead and close the gripper. And then we'll want to select Set Pickup Point on the tablet.
Pickup point learned.
So now once we've picked up the part, we'll add a Move tile. Go ahead and select Move, slide it over, and drop it into place. Then on the right side of the screen, once we're up into our first spot, go ahead and select Add Waypoint.
Waypoint added.
Just repeat that process over here a second time to add one more waypoint.
Waypoint added.
And then we're going to go ahead and pull OB7 back down to the table where we'll place the part, slide over the Place tile, and select Set Place Point.
Learned.
Go ahead and open the gripper. So now what we'll do is we'll reset OB7, and we'll start the job from the top, and you'll get an idea of what this all looks like. Start the job, and here we go. OB7 moves into place, picks up the part, and we'll hit each of our 2 waypoints. You can think of waypoints kind of like a game of connect the dots. OB7 has to hit each waypoint in order to create its path. So let's now go and change the job to show you what editing works like. Just click Done to exit out of it. Go back to Learn, pick your job by name, and now you'll see our list of tiles again. So we want to change one of our waypoints. So select Move. You have your 2 waypoints. We'll change the first one since we're kind of already over there. Let's go ahead and have it stop right there just for fun. Hit Adjust for the first waypoint, and then you have 4 choices. Go ahead and select Change.
Waypoint changed.
So now OB7 has learned that this is the new point at which you want it to hit while moving. So we also might want to retract it somewhere else, right? So that's an option that you have. Go to the Pickup, and you have 3 options there. Set Approach Point, Change Pickup Point, and Set Retract Point. So we've already told it the pickup point. Let's go ahead and change the retract point. We want it to, for some weird reason, maybe you want it to retract up, over here into some odd position, whatever reason you might have for that. Go ahead and put it there, and then select Set Retract Point. So now OB7 knows to bring it here before hitting your waypoint. So we can go ahead and put it back into position. Go ahead and select Work, and we'll see what it does. So OB7's going back to the part we originally told it to pick up. See, it's retracting back into our weird spot that we chose for no reason in particular. It's got its first waypoint to hit over here. It'll hit one more as it cycles through. And it knows to put it down right there. So as you can see, using the tile system opens up a whole new degree of flexibility. Whether you want to make a tweak here and there or totally repurpose a job to fit a new project, you can do it now and save a ton of time in the process.